Whether you're in HR operations, talent acquisition, learning and development, or leading the HR function, one thing is clear: AI isn't a trend, it's the new standard. And how we adopt it will define the future of our workplaces. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable HR insights. For HR professionals, AI automates repetitive tasks and supercharges productivity. For the HR function, AI unlocks insights to shape strategy and influence change. Together, AI makes HR teams agile, data-driven, and future-ready, delivering higher employee engagement and driving business outcomes at scale. Let's look at how HR is using AI in the real world. In recruiting, AI is scanning resumes, writing job descriptions, and personalizing the onboarding and offboarding experience. In workforce planning, AI is crunching vast amounts of data to uncover trends, predict turnover, and highlight potential skills gaps. In learning and development, AI is mapping unique needs and interests to give employees tailored training paths. For talent management, AI is recommending internal job opportunities, mentorship pairing, and upskilling programs based on individual aspirations. And when it comes to analytics, AI is spotting patterns in workforce data that humans might miss, like turnover trends or pay equity issues. Sounds powerful, right? That's because it is. Yet most of HR still isn't fully using AI. AI adoption won't happen at the same speed or enthusiasm for everyone, so it's important to understand the 4 different AI and HR adoption profiles. Skeptical avoiders are unsure of the hype, steering clear of discussions or using AI. Reluctant users go along with using AI when required, but aren't convinced of its impact. Active explorers are excited and experimenting with AI, but not getting enough opportunities to use it at work. Adoption champions go all in, actively working on their AI skills and evangelizing its benefits. The future isn't powered by paperwork, and while AI won't replace you, a HR professional who is skilled in using AI will. Stop asking if you should use AI and start asking how you can gain the skills to leverage it in your HR role. You can take a quick quiz to discover your persona and ways to advance in your AI journey in the link below.